अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं इस वीडियो में इंग्लिश के कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs आप लोगों से शेयर करने जा रही हूँ, जो कि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट और रिपीटेड हैं। अगर आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव टेस्ट या एग्ज़ाम देने जा रहे हैं, जैसे FTS, ETA, NTS वगैरह, जितने भी जॉब से रिलेटेड टेस्ट हैं उनमें ये MCQs लाजमी आते हैं। आइए देखेंगे इस वीडियो में। लेकिन वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं और आपको मेरी वीडियोस पसंद हैं तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, मुझे कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं। साथ में नोटिफिकेशन बेल को भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि इस तरह की वीडियोस आप तक पहुंचती रहें। Hydrogen gas can be used dash a fuel. A for, B as, C of, D none of these. So correct answer is B as. Police said they found 30 bodies dash the wreckage. Option A in, B between, C among, D under. So correct answer is A, i.e. in. A group of buffaloes is called option A pack, B school, C gang, D team. Correct answer is gang, C. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. A bureaucracy, B bureaucracy, C bureaucracy, D bureaucracy. Correct answer is A bureaucracy. A group of SS is called option A pace, C colony, D flock. Correct answer is A pace. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. Option A technocrats, B technocrats, C technocrats, D technocrats. Correct answer is technocrats. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. Option A allegedly, B allegedly, C allegedly, D allegedly. Correct answer is A. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. Option A magistrate, B magistrate, C magistrate, D magistrate. Correct answer is A magistrate. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. A pronunciation, B pronunciation, C pronunciation, D pronunciation. Correct answer is A. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. A parliamentarian, B parliamentarian, C parliamentarian, D parliamentarian. Correct answer is A parliamentarian. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. Option A lieutenant, B lieutenant, C lieutenant, D lieutenant. Correct answer is A lieutenant. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. A apprenticeship, B apprenticeship, C apprenticeship, D apprenticeship. So correct answer is A apprenticeship. Ali is not my brother. The word not is option A verb, B. Adverb. C. Preposition. D. Conjunction. Correct answer is B. Adverb. English language approximately consists of dash words. Option A. 1,70,000. B. 2,50,000. C. 1 lakh. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. 1 lakh